So I'm here to do a really quick review on the Renpho deep tissue massage gun. So this is a little bit different than massage guns I had before because it only weighs 1.5 pounds, which makes it super lightweight, which means that I can work areas of my body longer because I'm not pulled down by the extra weight. Just because it is so lightweight doesn't mean it doesn't pack a lot of power, because it really does. So I'm going to turn it on here. It has 5 different speeds, so we're going to the top speed. And you can hear it, you can hear the sound. It's not too loud, but it really does get in there. Ouch, that kind of hurts. But it's getting right into that sore tissue. And apparently the battery life of this is about 5 times longer than other massage guns. So that's really cool. And you can just reach back here and you can hardly feel the weight of it all when you're working on different parts of your body. So I love that it is so lightweight. That's one of my favorite parts. So it comes in this really nice sturdy carrying case that holds the 5 massage heads. Comes with a couple extra gaskets, charger. So this is super easy to get going. You just push on the button until it starts. And there are 5 speeds. So that thing gets pretty strong. And to simply turn it off, just hold and press down until it turns off. So how much do I like this little hand massager? I really like this little one a lot because it's so lightweight, because it's so powerful for its size, because it has the 5 different heads, massage heads. I really do like that. The really solid carrying case. So I do recommend this highly. It's a great little massager and I think you're going to love it.